national updates that we are following up. In the past 4 weeks, there have been lakhs of migrants from different parts of the country who have returned to their home states. And a majority of them have come back to the states like Uttar Pradesh and from Bihar. In Bihar itself, there has been a significant surge in the number of positive cases amongst those migrants that have been returning. Chief Minister Nitish Kumar is today interacting with those migrants in quarantine centers. Let me straight away go across to Prakash joining us with more on this. This is to happen via video conferencing because, Prakash, more numbers of cases. Bihar has seen a sudden surge in the number of cases, and it has been happening mostly from the migrants who have been returning home.
Well, yes, it's getting serious day by day with each passing day, with a large number of migrants continuing to come back to Bihar. And we expect around 35 to 40 lakh migrants returning back to Bihar. And so far, after the random sampling, 1,184 migrants have tested positive, and most of them are asymptomatic. And this is the video wall in the control room through which Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar is interacting with all the, with at least 10 quarantine centers with the migrant laborers. As you can see, I will ask my camera person to zoom a bit. These are the district magistrate, and there you can see the migrant laborers sitting in large number. In one frame, you have Bihar CM Nitish Kumar, and in some time from now, he will be inquiring from the migrant laborers as to what are the problems they are facing, the facilities that have been provided to them in the quarantine centers. Bihar is running around 7,500 quarantine centers, and migrant laborers have been put under quarantine. And yesterday, the Bihar government also have decided that people coming in from 11 cities, especially the NCR of Noida, Faridabad, Gurgaon, Bangalore, Delhi, Calcutta, are from high-risk zone, and they will be put under government quarantine. And rest of the people coming in from different parts of the country will be put under village quarantine. In some times from now, Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar will speak from the Chief Minister's office, where he'll be addressing the migrant laborers in the quarantine centers. And here we have the district magistrate of Muzaffarpur trying to address the issue. So this whole issue of migrants has snowballed into a big problem for Bihar. And there you have the officials of the Bihar government, Bala Murugan, Sanjay Agarwal, Sanjay Singh, Anirudh Kumar, sitting here and trying to address the issues. And they will also redress the grievances of the migrants. And here you can see the migrants sitting here with social distance, with whom the Bihar Chief Minister would be addressing in some time. And the migrant issue has turned into a big problem, and it's a big crisis here in Bihar as far as the migrants are concerned.
Are returning to Bihar by foot, or are we looking at those migrants as well who are returning by special Shramik trains? Because especially if they're arriving from those trains, they are being screened at the time when they board the train and when they come out of the railway station too. So how come we are looking at this expansion in the number of infected cases that are being reported?
Well, it is both. People who are coming on the Shramik trains, and these are the people mostly who have arrived in Bihar on the Shramik trains. More than 1,200 to 1,300 Shramik trains have arrived here in Bihar, ferrying at least 15 lakh migrants from different parts of the country. And we expect another 20 lakh to come back to Bihar. Now, most of them have tested positive. Around 1,184 cases have tested positive, and most of them are asymptomatic. And now the threat is of spreading it to the community level. That's the real danger. So Chief Minister of Bihar, understanding the whole problem of the migrant, and is directly interacting with the issue of migrant, trying to understand their problems, the food arrangement that have been made there, and as well as we also get to know that they are trying to do skill mapping of the laborers here in Bihar, so that the migrants who have come back do not go back to return back to their respective state where they were working, earlier. So these are the issues that the Chief Minister would be focusing on. And here on the video wall, we can see that all the district magistrates who are lined up today, I can see Muzaffarpur. So here we have Bihar Chief Minister speaking now. So I'll ask my camera person to zoom a bit.
क्वारंटाइन में रहने वाले लोग हैं सर, अभी लगभग 250 लोग हम लोग यहाँ रह रहे हैं इस सेंटर पर सर। और दूसरा सर, ये जो यहाँ हमारी फैसिलिटीज है सर, उसको हम सर का अगर आदेश हो कुछ दिखाना चाहेंगे सर।
Prakash, anything that we know in the coming days, are we looking at more actions or rather instructions that will be given out, because the strumming trains are plying on a daily basis? We are almost looking at a huge number of migrants coming back in Bihar. So what do we expect to happen in the coming days?
Well, I'm joined by Bala Murugan D here, so he is looking after the trains, and the number of trains that, Sanjay Agarwal here, the number of trains that would be coming on daily basis, and what is the number that you expect?
Till yesterday, we have received 700 trains in Bihar, comprising of around 12-13 lakhs migrant workers. And 2-3 lakhs workers have come from roadside also. We are providing buses service, train service to whoever is coming on foot also. So till now, more than 15 lakh migrant workers have arrived, and continuously it is coming. Today, we are going to receive 120 trains. That is the highest number so far. And in forthcoming 3-4...
How long will it continue?
For next 3-4 days, we have sufficient trains are lined up. And it will go up. State government is committed to bring each and every willing person, whoever wants to come to Bihar, we will bring them.
Okay. So this is the... And migrant labours have become a big concern, because the spreading it at the community level is also now...
Yes. There are some challenges, but we are, with the help of this quarantine center and isolation center facility, we are coping up that. Cases are increasing, but our medical facilities are also increasing day by day, and testing facilities are also getting up and up.
So there we can see that Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar addressing the migrant workers. He will try and understand the concerns of the migrant workers. And since this is an election year, and we have seen pictures of migrant laborers walking on the national highways in large number, and that presented a wrong picture. And since Bihar and UP has large numbers of migrants, and the problem that we have is of getting them employment, because they have left their place of work and now have come back to Bihar. Now they will stay back in Bihar for some time. And that is the area of concern, and that is what the Bihar Chief Minister would be addressing in some time. So about creating jobs, providing them job, providing food and accommodation for them, starting some programs for them. So
All right, so that's a matter of concern there, especially for the state of Bihar, that has witnessed a sudden surge in the number of cases that have been reported till now. Over 2,100 cases that have been reported from Bihar alone. The migrant issue is something that the Chief Minister himself is looking into how to deal with the entire issue. Prakash, thanks very much for the moment for joining in with the live updates.